Hey you all, do you want to get ready with me? If you do, stick around. Well my lovelies, I am actually going to a New Year's Eve party and I'm pretty excited for it. We all deserve it at the end of the year. And of course, as usual, I'm getting late. So let's get started. It's actually pretty cold in here in Pune, so I am going to wear this beautiful green dress. But I'm gonna pair it with this long coat. I love this color and I think these two will go pretty perfectly. For the shoes, I'm going in with this pair. So this is a pair of suede boots. I think after the two colors, a neutral is a must. All in all, I want my outfit to be really chic and classy. But for the makeup, we are going glam. Now that I have my outfit assembled and I sort of have an idea of what I want to do with the makeup, first I'm going to fix my hair. So for the entire year, I think the trend has been a sleek bun, and for this look also it will look really nice. And also when you do a sleek bun, your hair is pulled like this, so your face also gets an instant facelift. So let's just start with the hair first. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my tail comb and pick out a center parting from here, just like that. Then I'm going to take a little bit of aloe vera gel. Using aloe vera gel really works for me for my hair because that means I'm not using excess products, but my hair looks perfectly fine as it would look with a hairspray. So now I am going to pull the entire hair back. Now to even flatten it out, I am going to use the teasing brush. This one is actually really easy, okay? So first I'm gonna tie with this one rubber band, like this. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna braid this. So I'm just gonna take out 3 sections. I am not going to do a very tight braid, it's going to be very loose. Actually this hair is really perfect if you have oily hair and you don't know how to add volume. Just do this hairstyle, it looks very chic. So now that I'm at this point, I'm going to wrap the hair around and then secure it with a rubber band. And that's it. This looks very pretty. So now that we are done with the hair, let's go and get started with the makeup. See, for me, everything is all about the glow. So I am just gonna go in with a liquid highlighter first. And I'm gonna apply it all over my cheeks. Also a little bit on the nose and a little bit in the center also. Then I should probably have, and I have, a little bit of product left. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to mix in a little bit of foundation with it. So my vision for the base is really dewy and simple, nothing too cakey, because we are going to focus on the eyes most. So I'm just going to blend the foundation in sections, because if you do it in section, you will have the best control over the foundation. Do you see the glow? It's insane. It's time for some concealer. I'm going to conceal under my eyes. Just the usual spots. Again, not going too heavy with the concealer or the coverage. I'm loving how the base is turning out. It's time to set the face and I'm going in with a compact powder and I'm going to set the entire face. I like to go in with a puff because then I can get into the corners like of my nose and my mouth, and it just gives a better finish also. Now some bronzer, blush and highlighter, and we'll be done with the face. So first I'm going to bronze up a little bit. I'm not going in too heavy with the bronzer because most of my outfit colors are cool toned, right? So I don't want too much warmth on my face. A little bit of blush, actually a lot of blush. Blush will just bring back the life to your face. So for the cheeks, I am going in with a liquid highlighter and it is blinding. I am very excited for the eyes, so let's get started. I have something in my mind. So I'm just gonna use this pencil, which is, as you can see, it's a little bit grey and a little bit purple. So let's see how and where it goes. So I'm just gonna line my waterline with that. And I'm also gonna tight line with it. To use some purple and lilac, so let's see how it goes. So I have taken a very nice deep purple sort of shade and I am going to start with my outer corners. So I'm just going to pack the color in first. Oh wow, this color is looking really great with the purple Kajal. So I'm just going to start packing and then I'll just move on to blending it upwards, almost like making an angle. I promise you guys, this makeup look is going to be super fun. I am not taking the color in my inner corner at all. I really want to go in with a green and I am taking a risk with this, but I really want to pop this neon green. So I'm just going to apply it here and see how it looks like. Oh, it looks different. I just grabbed a packing brush and I took the same shade and I'm just gonna apply it here. Wow. That looks stunning. First I will blend the color in and then I will bring out the intensity of it. So as you can see, I'm just going in with halfway. I'm not mixing it in with the purple at all. I think this is so interesting. At this point when we have done so much glam, I think we should do a little bit more. So I'm just going to extend my inner corner a little bit, sort of give it a cat eye vibe. So I'm just going to take an angle brush and I'm going to, the easiest way of doing a cat eye is to just stamp the angle brush into the inner corner and then extend it. Just like that, completely the easiest way. Time to curl my lashes. And today I also want to put up some falsies. But before that, I'm going to apply some mascara, of course. And the lashes should be really, really nice and bold. I think it's definitely looking much better with some lashes on. This is the entire eye look. What do you think? I think it looks really, really nice and apt for this party. Okay, before I really get late, I need to do my lips. A brown lip liner always saves the day, and with these eyes you do not want to go bold with the lips. A neutral nude lipstick. I think this looks really good. I'm not a person who accessorizes too much, but for this look, I have these pretty little dangling earrings which also have a green stone in between in the center, so I think this is gonna look really good. So you guys, here we come to an end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. I really liked how it turned out. I'm gonna turn some heads in the party. If you also want to shop clean, safe, natural beauty products, you can always head to Femica. Do check out all the products that are going to be linked in the description box below. And if you want to join the community and welcome yourself to the world of clean, safe, organic beauty and wellness, you can do so by connecting with us through all our social media platforms, the links to which are either on your screen or definitely mentioned in the description box below. Femica wishes you all a very happy new year. Hope you have a great 2023. So signing off today with lots and lots of love and hope you all have fun. Bye.
So guys, here's the end. Hope you liked the video. Visit femica.com now. Check out all clean and safe products and dive into the world of clean beauty. Thanks for watching the video.